How to redeem Discord Nitro code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Discord Nitro code. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your browser on your device. Once you open up your browser, at the search bar at the top, what you want to do is you want to type in discord.com/login. so simply type in discord.com/login, and you wanna head into, make sure to spell it correctly, so type in correctly and then tap on go. Once you go for it, you'll be headed into the desktop version, the website version of the Discord. So here you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. You want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top left of the screen, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, there you'll be headed to this page. Here you want to search in the option that says gift inventory. Under billing settings you can find it, so you want to tap on gift inventory, and you can see you'll be headed to the page where you can redeem your code. Simply enter in your code here and tap on redeem there, and your code will be redeemed. So this way you can redeem your Discord Nitro code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.